Hi everyone. In this video we will discuss about a new topic, determinants, which is more important and so easy also. First go for what is determinant. What is determinant? Let M be the set of all square matrices. That means the number of rows equal to the number of columns of the matrix, and K be the set of numbers that may be real or complex, and F be a function from the set of all square matrices to the set of numbers is defined by F of A equal to K, where A belongs to M, that means a square matrix, and K belongs to the set K is a number. Then F of A, that means the output, is called the determinant of A, is called the determinant of A. That means every square matrix can be associated with a unique number which can be evaluated. That number is known as determinant of the square matrix. It is denoted by det of A, or A, write A in between two vertical lines. Just think here, this is not absolute value symbol. This is not absolute value symbol. We can read it as determinant of A, determinant of matrix A. That is, if A is a matrix Aij of order n by n, that means a square matrix, then the determinant of A will be written as A11, A12 up to A1n, A21, A22, 2n, in nth row an1, an2, ann. That means the elements of the matrices A is written in between two vertical lines. These are all the notations of determinants. Similarly, in this case, the vertical lines are called columns, and the horizontal lines are called rows of the determinant. Write a note here. First one, only square matrices has determinants. That is, the matrices of order 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4 has determinants. That is, if A be a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, then determinant of A can be written as 1 2 3 4. Second one, non-square matrices has no determinant. That means if we take a matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is a matrix of order 2 cross 3, it has no determinant value. That means determinant of A is not defined. That means in case of determinant, we can find or we can calculate an unique number. We can calculate a unique number. Okay. Now we define or discuss expansion of determinant of matrices of different orders. First one, expansion of determinant of matrix of order 1, that means 1 by 1. Let A equal to A11 be a square matrix of order 1 by 1. Then determinant of A, which is also written as determinant of A, is equal to A11, which is equal to A11. That is, element itself a determinant in case of 1 cross 1 matrix. Next, another example here. Determinant of 3 is equal to 3 because 3 is a square matrix of order 1 cross 1. So the determinant of a 1 cross 1 square matrix is itself that element. Second one, expansion of determinant of matrix of order 2, that means 2 cross 2 matrix. Let A is equal to A11 general matrix, A12, A21, A22 be a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Then its determinant, that means determinant of A or determinant of A is written as A11, A12. That means we can write all the elements of matrix in between two vertical bars. This can be evaluated by cross multiplication. That means A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. Let's see here. Determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix ABCD is evaluated by same as cross multiplication, AD minus BC. Let's another example. 2, 3, 0, minus 1 can be evaluated by same cross multiplication. 2 times minus 1, then minus of 3 times 0, which is equal to minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2, 3 into 0, 0, which is equal to minus 2. Let's discuss some questions. Question: evaluate or expand the following determinants of the given matrices. First one is 3, 5, minus 2, 4. See here, let A be the matrix 3, 5, minus 2, 4. This is a square matrix, edge of order 2 cross 2, so its determinant is possible. So determinant of A equal to 3, 5, minus 2, 4. This can be calculated by the cross multiplication. 3 into 4 minus 5 into minus 2, which is equal to 12 minus of minus 10, which is equal to 12 plus 10, 22. Similarly, second one, 5. Look at, this is a square matrix is of order 1 cross 1, whose determinant is the same element, 5. Next, another question. Matrix given is cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Look here, this is also a square matrix of order 2, so its determinant also has possible. So here let A be the given matrix cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Then determinant of A equal to, write the elements in between two vertical lines. We can calculate it by cross multiplication as such. Cos theta into cos theta, this into this, minus this into this, minus sin theta into sin theta, which is equal to cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, minus minus plus here, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. As we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next, question 2. Expand or evaluate minus 2, minus 5, 6, 9. Look here, a direct determinant is given here, so you can calculate direct it as by cross multiplication as minus 2 into 9 minus 5 into 6 is equal to minus 18, minus minus plus 30 is equal to 12. Let's discuss another type of example. Question 3. Find the value of x for which here the determinant symbol 3x x1, it is a 2 cross 2 determinant, is equal to 3 2 4 1. In case of two equal matrices, we had equal the corresponding elements, but here look here, these two are two determinant. That means we can evaluate this determinant. After that, evaluating this determinant and equaling the value of two determinants, we can find the value of x. So look, solution here. Evaluate this determinant. It can be 3 into 1 minus x into x, which is equal to, look the right side determinant, 3 into 1 minus 2 into 4, that implies 3 1s are 3 minus x into x, x square is equal to 3 minus 8. That implies we get 3 minus x square is equal to minus 5. That implies 3 plus 5 is equal to x square. That implies x square is equal to 8. That implies x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. Okay. Next one is determinant of matrix of order 3. That means expansion of determinant of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Determinant of a matrix of order 3 cross 3 can be determined by expressing it in terms of second order determinants, which we studied earlier. This is known as expansion of determinant along a row or a column. There are 6 ways of expanding a 3 cross 3 determinant, among them corresponding to 3 rows R1, R2 and R3, similarly corresponding to 3 columns C1, C2 and C3. Let A be a matrix. Let determinant of A, that means A be a matrix of order 3 cross 3, that as general A11, A12 and 13, A21, A22, A23, similarly A31, A32, A33. This is a 3 cross 3 determinant, that means third order determinant. We can expand it along any of the 6 ways. First we discuss expansion along first row, that means R1. The determinant of A can be evaluated along R1 by this process. That first write down, look here, in first row there are 3 elements A11, A12, A13. In this element the suffixes are 1 1. In this element suffixes 1 2. In this element suffixes 1 3. So how can we find the determinant value? First write down the element A11 multiplied with minus 1 to the power addition of these two suffixes, that means 1 plus 1. And now deleting the row and column in which the element A11 present, that means deleting the row 1 and column 1, we get a subsquare matrix and write its determinant here: A22, A23, A32, A33 plus, this is the second element in row 1, write down A12 multiplied with same minus 1 to the power sum of the suffixes, that means 1 plus 2, and now eliminate the row and column in which A12 present, that means the first row and the second column. Eliminating second column and first row, we get a subsquare matrix A21, A23, similarly A31, A33 plus, this is the last element of first row, A13 multiplied with minus 1 to the power sum of suffixes 1 plus 3 multiplied with the remaining elements by deleting the first row and third column. Deleting the first row and third column, the remaining elements A21, A22, A31, A32. Look here, these are determinants of second order which we calculate earlier. So it becomes A11, 1 plus 1, 2, to minus 1 to the power 2 is equal to 1. So this determinant evaluated by cross multiplication, A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. Similarly, look here, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, minus 1 to the power 3 is equal to minus 1. So here minus A12 times, expand this 2 cross 2 determinant, A21, A33 minus A23 into A31. Similarly, plus here minus 1 to the power 4, this is also 1. So 1 3 times, expand this determinant, A21 into A32 minus A22 into A31. So here we get A11, A22, A33 minus A11, A23, A32 minus times A12, A21, A33 minus 1 is plus A12, A23, A31. Similarly here A13, A21, A32, by multiplying we get A13, A22, A31. This is the value of the third order determinant when we expand along first row. Similarly, we can expand through second row, also it through third row, also we can expand it along column 1, along column 2 and column 3. Let's see. Next, see how we can expand this determinant along the column 2. Look at here, there are 3 elements in column 2. First element is A12. So here determinant A can be written as A12 multiplied with minus 1 to the power product of sum of the suffixes 1 plus 2 into the remaining elements by eliminating the first row and second column in which A12 present. That means by eliminating this and this, we get the remaining element A21, A23 and A31, A33. Similarly, plus second element is A22 multiplied with minus 1 to the power sum of suffixes 2 plus 2 and the remaining elements by eliminating second row and second column. By eliminating second row and second column, we get the remaining elements A11, A13, A31, A33 plus the last element A32 multiplied with minus 1 to the power the sum of suffixes 3 plus 2 with the remaining elements. By deleting the third row and second column, we get A11, next A13, similarly A21 and A23. Look at here. Here we get minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 1 2, and expanding this 2 cross 2 determinant, we get A21 A33 minus A23 times A31. Here minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 4, so it is plus 1, so plus A22 times expand it A11 A33 minus A13 into A31 plus, look at here, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1, so plus of minus 1 equal to minus A32, sorry, minus A32, and expand it A11 into A23 minus A13 into A21. By multiplying this, we can get this minus A12 A21 A33 minus minus plus A12 A23 A31, same here A22 A11 A33 minus A13 A22 A31 minus A32 A11 A23 minus minus plus times A32 A13 A21. Look at here. In this case, we also get the determinant of the matrix A. So, in both of the cases, the determinant value are same. That means, if we expand the determinant in all the 6 ways, then we get the same value. We get the same value of the determinant, because a particular determinant associated with a particular number. Look here, for finding the expansion of a 3 cross 3 determinant, just remember this sign convention. Just remember this sign convention. First plus here, minus, then plus here, minus, plus, minus, again plus, minus, plus. That means by not writing this minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, here look at here, we expand this determinant along second column, so direct we put minus here, then plus here, again minus here. Similarly, by expanding along second row, we can direct put minus here and plus, then minus here. Okay, let's see a question. Evaluate the determinant 3 minus 4 5 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1 expanding along row 1. Look at here, this is a 3 cross 3 determinant. We can find it by expanding any of the process. By here given is by expanding with R1. So look here, the determinant can be evaluated by 3 times. By eliminating the first row and first column, we get the remaining elements 1 minus 2 3 1. So direct put minus here, and what is the element here? Minus 4. Then minus 4 times eliminating first row and second column, we get the remaining elements 1 2 minus 2 1, and direct put plus here 5 times the remaining elements by eliminating first row and third column. Look here, 1 1 2 3. Now you can expand it 3 times 1 into 1 minus minus plus 6 minus times minus 4, that means plus 4. 1 into 1 1 minus plus 4 plus 5 times 1 into 3 minus 2. So here we get 3 into 7 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 1. So here 21 plus 20 plus 5. Here we get 46. So we can direct use this sign convention without writing this minus 1's power of addition of subscripts. Okay, so in this way we can find the determinant, a third order determinant.